Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in this video here I am going to read or talk about the Painting and Mixed Media Csec Visual Arts exam of 2022. Alright, so let us begin.
Artwork Fly.
Alright, so here it is right here, 2022 Visual Arts exam. Let's get into it. Painting and mixed media is expressive form B. Color must be used. Complete one of the following tasks. Produce a collage painting or any representational, semi-abstract or abstract composition based on one of the following themes. Alright, so the themes are listed below. So you're going to create a composition or a semi-abstract artwork based on the theme below. Alright, use any medium and or a combination of media, materials and techniques for the collage. Medium meaning it could be one thing, it could be just painting, or a combination of media. Media is more than one, meaning it could be a paint, it could be painting with pen, with pastel, oil pastel, chalk pastel, cut and paste, etc. Paints must be quick drying. The paints have to be quick drying, students, because immediately after you're finished they're going to give it a couple minutes for it to dry and then pack it up. Alright, so it must be quick drying. So buy the acrylic paints, whereas if you put it under your fan in the classroom it will dry after probably 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, paints must be quick drying. Preliminary studies and a statement on the artwork must accompany the finished piece. So number 1, bait. Number 2, I dream it. Number 3, on the road. And 4, hanging out. Now all of these themes should be based on your imagination, your idea, your theme. You can still follow up with your same theme. So let's say during class you were using the theme nature. Alright, probably you can still use that nature and tie it back to this one here for your exam. So let's say hanging out. You can still tie it back to nature because you're so accustomed to nature from grade 9, 10 or 11 and 11, or from 10 to 11. You're so accustomed to the theme nature, you can always include it back for your exam. So hanging out could be in nature with your friends. Alright, so you can still tie back your theme back to this theme if you want for exam. Alright, to make it easier for you, because you would have already been practicing how to draw the trees, how to paint the trees, how to do the green grass, stuff like that. So it would be easier for you to just jump in exam knowing that you're confident to create the tree, confident to create the grass and the flowers and stuff, because you are already accustomed to that theme. So you can always tie it back to that. Alright, so yes, so that is the end of the Csec Visual Arts exam, Painting and Mixed Media Visual Arts exam for 2022. Now if you have any questions you can always comment down below and I will do my best to reply to the comments and answer your questions as best as possible. Thank you very much for watching, subscribing. Please like, comment and share, and I will see you in the next one. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.